In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second email account in Outlook. If you want to manage more than one inbox in the same place, Outlook makes that process pretty simple. Adding a second account can help you keep everything organized, whether you're working with another personal email or a separate account for work or school. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect on screen so you can complete the setup smoothly. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and wait for the main window to fully load. It's a good idea to make sure Outlook is connected and responding normally before you begin, since the account setup process may need to verify your sign-in details online. Once Outlook is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Account Management area, where you can view the email accounts that are already connected to Outlook and make changes to them. From there, click Account Settings, and then click Account Settings again if a menu appears. This will open the Settings window, where Outlook lets you add, remove, or manage email accounts. If you already have one account connected, you should see it listed here. Now click New. This starts the process of adding your second email account. You'll be asked to enter the email address for the account you want to add, along with its password when prompted. Be sure to type the information carefully so Outlook can recognize the account correctly and connect without issues. After entering the account details, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Outlook will usually try to detect the correct settings automatically, which makes the process faster and easier. Depending on the type of email account you're adding, you may also be asked to approve a sign-in request, confirm permissions, or complete an extra verification step. Just continue through each prompt until the setup is complete. Once everything is finished, Outlook should confirm that the account has been added successfully. After that, you can return to the main Outlook window, and you should start seeing the second mailbox appear in your folder list. In some cases, it may take a moment for folders and messages to sync, so don't worry if it doesn't populate instantly. And that's it. You've now added a second email account in Outlook. If needed, you can repeat the same process later to add more accounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.